Alfred. This is the story of a little elephant named Alfred, who has a very long trunk. Alfred lives in a zoo. He is kind of friendly, but he does not look like the other elephants. You see, Alfred has a very long trunk. Poor little Alfred tries everything to hide his long trunk. He curls it up. He hides it in a bag. He ties it up into cords. He even coats it with leaves and flowers. But it's not used. He cannot hide his long trunk. Alfred feels
ashamed.
He is too sad to tie to the other elephant. So every day he hides behind the branches. And every day he cries. All day long Alfred reaches the other elephant's place. He watches behind a normal size trunk. One day, as usual, Alfred is sitting all by himself. Suddenly, he
hears a shout.
Help! He looks through the bushes. All the animals are running to the slide. A small girl is at the top. She is too scared to slide down. Help! Help! She cries again. But no animals can help her. No animal can climb up the step. Alfred calls he can help. He runs to the slide. Then he reaches his long trunk out to the top for the slide. Hold on, he says. The girl wraps
her arms around
Alfred's trunk.
Gently.
He did
Lifts
her down. Alfred thinks how lucky I am to have a long trunk. I can do things the other elephant cannot do. Thank you. You saved me, says the girl. Soon, Alfred and the little girl become a best of friends. You are a hero, said the animal. Alfred
Isn't shy anymore.
didn't sign anymore. Even he plays with the other elephants. He thinks I am happy to be
Different.
The end.
And thank you, ZyNing.